Federal Freezerve!
Stand down, my precious dino nuggets.
Huh?
These are friends.
Mr. Federal Freezerve, sir, we have come to ask about your ice cubes.
Aren't they marvelous? I keep the Fridge-topia economy running smooth and safe just by spitting out more ice cubes.
Ice comes from your mouth?
Well, not the crushed ice.
Well, it's just that ice cubes seem like a good idea, but they melt, which means people have to spend them quickly and can't think long term.
You think my ice stimmy checks are a bad idea? They make people feel safe!
But it encourages people to think short term.
Ungrateful foods! Dino Nuggies, attack!